Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with egg toast recipe. You can serve this for breakfast or as a snack item. So let's begin. Take 2 sliced bread. You can use any bread. Here I am using white bread. Cut it in triangle shape like this. Now heat a pan on medium flame. Add 2 teaspoons butter. Once it melts, place bread into it and toast it. Toast till bread turns light brown in color from both the sides. Next, to a pan, add a tablespoon of butter. To that, add 3 tablespoons roughly chopped onion and 1 green chilli. Chop green chilli very thin. Now saute this till it turns little soft. It will take about a minute. Sauteing will help onion to stick to the bread while we toast it. This has turned soft. Now turn off the gas flame and keep it aside. Next, to a bowl add 2 eggs. Into that add sauteed onion and green chilli. Then add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, salt for taste, and 2 pinch of turmeric. This is totally optional. I am adding this to get very nice yellow color in my toast. Mix egg well with other ingredients. Next, heat a pan on medium flame. To that, add 2 tablespoons butter and allow it to melt. Dip toasted bread in the egg mixture. Coat bread well in egg from both the sides. Now place this in the pan. In the same way, let's coat rest of the bread slices and toast it. Flip and toast it from both the sides. Now if you wish to add cheese on this toast, then at this point place shredded cheese on top of the bread and cook till it melts. You can see since we have sauteed onion, it has stick very well on the bread. So our egg toast is ready. If you like this recipe, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.